duty officer fixing potholes. We stand up for everything that is going
on social media who were fueling it.
Hello YouTube people, Coniston today, more kayaking. We're at the Pikey Lake today. A view out across the lake. Oh, someone windsurfing there. It's this stupid dragonfly content on killing it, selling me boat. Aren't you out, lad? You get fuck off this way. Inflatable paddleboard. It's weird how rock solid it is when it's all inflated. Like actually, it's like wood. There we are, two inflatable things sorted. A triangular. Right, finished having the scran, we're going to get out now, before it ever gets any worse. I've come here to launch, seeing as it's a bit more open. I have a rather awkward boarding predicament, as this welly is not waterproof, clearly. This one is, so I have to get in left foot first. Got my oars, dry bag, pump, just in case. Checking poles for if we get to that island and want to put the tarp up. There he is, getting on the board. I'm getting tossed about by the waves. Alright, decently choppy today. Yeah, we're sideways on with the chop, look. See how deep the water is here. Oh shit. It's deeper than the length of the paddle, right? There he is. All of the people who know what it's doing when it comes to boats, look. Mine just stops pointing the way it's going as soon as you stop paddling, but oh well. Just about as good at going backwards as I am at going forwards. Some shelter around the back of this island, look, it gets quite a bit choppy about there, and it is here. And it's the same on that side as well. I'm just chilling, dry bag full of gear there. Found the landing spot, I think. Here's the landing. Oh, hoi. I'll take us on a little tour of this island. Up here, I don't know what's up here, I'm just taking you up here. It's quite cool, this. Let's try and get up to like a vantage point of some kind. Wow. Yeah, this is quite mad. There's the boats down there. This rock's slippery as out, so careful if you ever do decide to come here yourself. Oh, it's slippery. It's the south shore of Coniston Lake. as you can see, the shore is just steep sides on all sides, apart from that one bit there where the little beach is where we've landed. We come in around that side of the rock and into there because there's like a shelf beneath the surface there. According to YouTube anyways. Brilliant spot for a camp, I think. Tiny little island there. This is Peel Island, by the way, otherwise known as Wildcat Island. Some pikeys at a campfire. Oh, you're joking. Looking towards the north. Where we set off from. Behind that there. Kind of more over there. It's like jungle here. Boathouse over there. Alright, so we got a walk around Peel Island. This is kind of the main bit here. And then this is where I went up before. Well, I came down this. If you go down this extra dodgy bit. Pikeys have destroyed that tree, but other than that, it's a pretty untouched place. And then here's our little natural harbour, look. Can't deny that he's just made for bringing a boat in. Just have a quick walk up here. Time to depart. Paddling with one hand. Show you things. Yeah. You can stay away from these rocks, look. Bye bye Peel Island, you were lovely. Boat's just turned right back towards it, it wants me to go back. Yeah, we're well out in the chop now, cruising away from Peel. No, now we're cruising back towards it. Yeah, there's some rather worrying rock formations under the water there, so you gotta watch out where you're paddling. Oh, the wind's just carrying us sideways. There's the steep sides on one side, look. You now can't see the other end of the lake for the mist. Yeah, there's the island. You what? It's getting a bit rough. See how calm it is on the other side of that though, look. Raining a bit now. There's the north end of the lake. There's the south that you can actually see. Actually see how the wind's carrying us north, look. Proper scary now. There's the island we're on. And there's where we're going. How pretty the rain is on the water, look. There's the jetty. I'm just getting blown towards the shore now. I've totally lost control of my boat. There he's back on shore. I'm going over here. It just doesn't go where you pointed this thing like you need. I have this game where I pull out the camera and I see how long it takes me to be pointed 180 degrees the opposite direction where I was pointed. Yeah, it's so hard. Hold on. Yeah, that's us pointed the way we need to go, and then just kind of go sideways into these rocks. Reverse it into the shore and get out with me waterproof right hand welly. Oh, I just dropped my phone in the water. I don't know how that survived. Fucking hell. Ah, there's the blow up doll back on shore. Yeah, it's turned out quite grim actually. Fucking hell. There's the boat away. Paddleboard's getting deflated now. There's a fair bit that I haven't filmed, because as you can tell it's absolutely pissing it down. I've left my bag down here. Baghdad. kind of glad we're back in now because it's getting really rough and pissing down. Right then, that's it for today's adventure. I hope you enjoyed that one. If you did, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see, and I'll see you soon. Peace.